Hi, I'm Lisa Cain, and I am HR Manager at Cain Food Industries, and I am a supporter of Vogel Alcove. So I heard about Vogel Alcove from St. Thomas the Apostle Church, where I go to church. I am on the outreach committee, and we are in charge of giving out funds to different charities, and one of our members brought Vogel Alcove to the table, and we did some research about gardens and what gardens do for homeless children, and we decided we wanted to donate money to the gardens and the playground for the children. I've had the ability to donate a greenhouse, which I'm really excited about because I love outdoors and gardening, and I think it's very important for the children being outdoors and learning about plants. So after coming to visit Vogel Alcove, it prompted me to go out and get my therapy dog certificate because I have a small Jack Russell, and he does all kinds of tricks and he loves to be around kids, and we are finishing our certification so that we can come down and interact with the kids and entertain them and just hang out with them.
What's your dog's name?
His name is Harvey. And he's a pretty special little dog, and we're excited to bring him down. So my interaction with Vogel Alcove basically makes me smile. It's a great opportunity to give stability to children who otherwise wouldn't have stability, and you guys just do incredible work with them, and I love being a part of it. I want people to know about Vogel Alcove. I would try to get other people involved. It's a great cause. It's about our future, and to me, I think that's the most important. Rachel Rimmons says, when you strengthen the life around you, you strengthen the life within. So helping others, you are strengthening yourself as well as everyone else around you. To me, it's all about love. Loving is important, and these children need our love, and it just feels right. It's good to help them, to love them, and to be connected and do what we're supposed to do. Take care of this earth and our children and the people around that need our help. And it doesn't matter how big or small your donation is or how much time you put in. It's just being there. Everything matters. It all counts. It all makes a difference, big or small.